Hello, this is GloZell. Is you okay? Is you? Make sure you support animals and
the Smithsonian National Zoo.
Just say where we are. You know I don't ever know. Gosh. And what are you doing? Tell me what you're doing.
Like a donation. That's cool.
That's why you give me money. I'll make some noises.
Yeah.
Oh.
Here.
What?
So donate to the zoo.
Donate to the zoo.
National Zoo.
You know what? Bob Barker would be very proud.
Okay, one more. We'll do this one.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
We have to support the zoo.
You have to support the zoo.
The Smithsonian. You have to support them. Even though it's free to get in here, but you still need to spend money and support. You know,
the wildlife here and the animals.
And the exhibits are really nice. Got a lot of construction going on, renovation.
Oh,
very nice.
There's some pachyderms.
Yeah.
You know what? They're called pachyderms.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can see some pachyderms.
Thank you. They're way back there.
They hiding.
They do not want to be bothered. But anyway.
They're over there. The pachyderms. Okay, and
nice.
They like to travel because
getting better and better.
They put stuff in their trunk. That was a little zoo humor. That was some zoo humor. Okay, you know what? The zoo has been great. Like I've been stopped like I'm on display. Were you on display?
I may leave you here.
Okay. You know what? I am scared that somebody gonna trap me in here. All right. People been nice and taking pictures, and I've been taking pictures and I've been.
GloZell on exhibit.
Yeah, like I need to be in a cage.
Yeah.
No. No. Over and out. Make sure y'all support the zoo and theater. Okay. All right.
And theater.
I just wanted to put that in there.
Oh, okay. Support the arts.
Yes.
All right,
Yes. See, thank you. Help a sister out.
Trying to help you out.
Okay. All right. Bye. Over and out.